This is a number 3 padlock. It's been a bad boy. I have this key here I'm gonna put in there. It doesn't work. The key does not fit this lock. So I'll bring it out just a little bit like that. And being it's such a bad boy, I'll whap it with this block of wood. It's on a ruler. Get 4 rulers like that for $1 at the dollar store. And then a block of wood out of the garage. Just whap this bad boy. There you go. Say that again. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do?
Cops is filmed on location with the men and women of law enforcement. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Bad boy, bad.